Greetings, this is Charles Darwin. I brought you to this location in Oklahoma last summer, where a gigantic fire had burned all of the adult oak and ash trees, and the whole surrounding area was filled with black ashes, not a living thing to be seen. But I told you that there would be recovery after that fire, and indeed there has been some. While the fire was severe enough that it destroyed all of the adult trees, I've not been able to find any resprouts in the forest behind us. Still, it has been a blessing for the short-lived plants that are able to grow quickly in the soil that has been fertilized with the rich black ashes. All plants, like all organisms, have had to adapt through evolution to not just equilibrium conditions, normal conditions, average conditions, but rather to the occasional disturbance. And to make use of those opportunities, disturbances as opportunities. These plants that are in the Brassicaceae, which is the mustard family, are an example, and there are many others around here, that are able to make use of those opportunities. Now, I've not been able to find any resprouts in the forest behind me. However, in a few decades, this forest will grow back from seedlings. It may take a very long time because all of the surrounding forests have been burned, so there are no immediate sources of seeds, so it may take many decades. And yet, there are no species alive today that during their evolutionary history have not been able to adapt to disturbances, even some as severe as the extinction at the end of the Permian period 250 million years ago, when over 90% of the species of the Earth became extinct. The survivors not only survived, they became the progenitors of new evolutionary lineages. And so when you see a fire like this, it may appear tragic at first, but it is an opportunity for evolutionary innovation, and in the shorter term, for ecological succession, and it can be very beautiful. This is Charles Darwin. Tally ho, and amen.